Here's a general anti-differentiation problem where we have to solve for the initial function f of x or y as a function of x, and we're given the derivative of f prime of x equals 2x plus secant x times tangent x, and we're given a function value of f of pi over 4 is pi squared over 16. So in order to find f of x, we need to anti-differentiate f prime of x. So let's set this up, where we get the integral of f prime of x dx is equal to this. That will be f of x or y. And in order to evaluate this antiderivative, we're going to use, for the first term, 2x, we should use the power rule and see that that's just going to be x squared. And then this is a little tougher, but if we know that the derivative of secant x with respect to x is secant x tangent x, then the antiderivative of this term must be just secant x. And so our antiderivative is complete, and we have y equals x squared plus secant x plus c, the constant of integration. And then in the next step, we're going to have to solve for this c by using our original function value. So we'll plug in pi squared over 16 for y and pi over 4 for x. Then we'll evaluate this and solve, and then we'll eventually get c equals negative square root of 2. And then we'll plug this back into our y or f function and just get y equals x squared plus secant x minus square root of 2 is our final answer.